loves. Okay, we're about to talk Briogeo. Now listen, for those of you that have been subscribing to my channel, I know several months ago in like my empties, I talked about Briogeo. I said it was overpriced. I said I wouldn't be that girl. You know, life happens and things change, and you know, I don't know what else to tell you. You know, sometimes you can admit that you should never say never. Whatever. So, of the 5 Briogeo products that I have been using for about a month, which are keepers, which can you live without? If you want to know, just keep watching. Okay, so you could look at this 2 ways. Like, I probably should have, I got something in my hair. Probably should have fixed my hair really nice and pretty for a hair video. You know, like people are saying, well, look at her hair. Like, I ain't going to take any hair advice from her. But listen, we've come a long way. I'm 40 years old. Do you know I have not let my hair be this natural since I was in the 3rd grade. 3rd grade. How old are you in the 3rd grade? 3rd grade. I have always blow dried, teased, hairsprayed, hair gel, hair mousse, straightening iron, curling iron, hot rollers. I've never gotten to a point that I felt good about just letting my hair be. Just be natural. And I'm adapting to it. And this is natural. This is using Briogeo products, air dry, no styling, no heating tools, no nothing. This is my hair, and this is just it. So, I debated. I was like, shouldn't I fix my hair for a hair video? And then I was like, no. Let it be natural to show what some of these products have done. Now, the Olaplex has been a huge part of that. So you guys know I've used the Olaplex twice now, and I love it. Love it. But some of these Briogeo products also play a part. So, let's get to the Briogeo products. The first one that I'm going to talk about is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Super Moisture Shampoo. Now, this is a 6-free shampoo, which means it has no sulfates, no parabens, no silicones, no phthalates, no artificial colors, no DEA. So for some of you that don't know, some shampoos and conditioners, I want to talk about the silicones, because the silicones got me. The silicones have tricked me. I will use a shampoo and conditioner and my hair just feels so silky smooth. That's because that conditioner is loaded, or that shampoo is loaded with silicone, which makes you feel like your hair is healthy and makes it feel like it's smooth, when in actuality it's just masking your damage, which some people may not mind, but my goal is to get healthy hair that I don't need to mask the damage, right? So, do I like this shampoo? It's not a must-have of all these products. I don't know that my hair, when I use this shampoo, my hair, you know, when you rinse the shampoo out, it feels dry, which I thought it would feel super, super moisturized. Do I like it? Yes. Will I continue to purchase this shampoo? Probably not. I will probably look for another shampoo. But with that said, I do think my hair is shiny, and my roots don't get greasy. So there's benefits to the shampoo. I just don't think I will repurchase this one. The next shampoo I have is the Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Micro-exfoliating Shampoo. So in one of my videos a while back, I talked about dandruff. Y'all, I was having a time with some dandruff because I read, well, this is what I assume. This is an assumption. I can't state this to be fact. But I read that when you use a lot of dry shampoos, it can cause dandruff. And I was using a lot of dry shampoos because I only wash my hair twice a week. My dandruff is almost gone. This shampoo is the shit. So it's gritty. You probably can't. It smells like mint and tea tree. This is also a 6-free hair care, so it has none of those other ingredients. So you take it and you massage it into your scalp, and you can feel it scrubbing your scalp, but then it lathers up just like a shampoo. I mean, it is a shampoo. You don't have to go in with a second shampoo. This is a shampoo, but it scrubs your scalp and exfoliates your scalp, and I love this. I will not be without this. I don't use it every time I shampoo. When I first got it, I was using it the first 2 times I washed my hair. I used it both times. Then I took a break from it. Snow day. Then I took a break from it, and now I use it every other shampoo. So one shampoo a week I'll use this, the other shampoo a week I will use that one. But yes, I highly recommend this if you have dandruff or maybe even oily hair. Okay, next we have the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. Well, this is my second jar. I love this hair mask. Like, I use this as my conditioner. So after I shampoo my hair, I put this on, and I have this wide tooth comb in my shower, and I comb it through my hair, and then I let it soak while I wash my body, shave my legs, whatever I got to do, and then I rinse it out. So I don't necessarily use a conditioner anymore. I just use the hair mask, and it smells amazing. My hair is so freaking soft. Oh my gosh, I can't even begin to describe how wonderful this is. So yes, this is a staple. And you can get a set of these 2 on Sephora and save a couple of dollars, because Briogeo ain't cheap. But the hair mask is worth every penny. Okay, next we have, and I've lost my lid somewhere, the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. So it's just like a leave-in conditioner, but they call it a leave-in mask. I think it's to make you feel like it's doing a little something more. This is also the 6-free hair care. It's supposed to leave hair instantly stronger, smoother, healthier, and hydrated. Suitable for all hair textures, and is perfect for those with very dry, damaged, and or chemically treated hair. I had watched a couple of videos of other YouTubers that use this, and they said it made their hair really greasy. It does not make my hair greasy. So I don't know if they use too much, or maybe it's because my hair needs that moisture and just soaks it up. But a couple of people literally said they had a bad hair day. And their hair was super greasy. So I definitely think whether or not you like this will depend on whether your hair needs this much leave-in moisture or not. Mine clearly does, because I used it today and my hair is not greasy at all. I really enjoy this leave-in conditioner. Do I think it's the shit? Like, will I repurchase? I might. I have a coupon, It works beautifully, but I think there are also other hair masks out there that work just as good. So I don't think this is a Briogeo holy grail like the mask and the charcoal shampoo, but it does work. If you have very dry hair, you may want to try it because I have gotten good results with it. I just think there's a lot of leave-in conditioners that do just as much or just as good. The last Briogeo product that I've been using is the Scalp Revival Charcoal and Biotin Dry Shampoo. This is what it looks like. This is a crazy little dry shampoo. So this claims to be scalp nourishing. It has charcoal starch to absorb the oil at the roots while drawing out the impurities from the scalp and hair. It has biotin, bamboo, and witch hazel, which they claim works together to strengthen your hair, balance the scalp, and promote healthy hair growth. And it's kind of crazy. So you twist it like this. Do you see that? And you squeeze it like this. And see how the powder comes out? I don't know if all of those claims are true. But what I do know is it does not leave my hair feeling like I've used a dry shampoo. For me, it leaves my hair feeling clean and revived and rejuvenated. Whereas every dry shampoo I have ever tried makes me feel like I'm using a dry shampoo. You know what I'm saying? This one doesn't, and it just takes a little bit. It is not the easiest to apply to your scalp. I have got to give you that. Squeezing this bottle is a pain in the ass. But again, I don't know if the claims are true, but I spray it on and I massage it in. And then I just kind of run my fingers through my hair and boom, I'm done. Like, it just doesn't leave that residue-y feeling. That's it. That's it. The residue feeling that every single dry shampoo I've ever used leaves. So, yes, this will be a staple in my hair care routine. So, of the 5 products, the Deep Conditioning Mask, the Scalp Revival Exfoliating Shampoo, and the Charcoal and Biotin Dry Shampoo. These I will forever repurchase until I find something better. The Don't Despair Repair Super Moisture Shampoo. I got hair. Can't get it. Why can't I get it? And the Leave-In Mask. They're good. If you want to try them, I have nothing bad to say about them. But I just think you can find just as good stuff out there. So these are not going to become holy grails. Alright, my loves. Oh, wait. Are you subscribed? I mean, if you sat through this long of the video, you had to be like somewhat intrigued and entertained, right? So let's just go ahead and bite the bullet and subscribe. Alright, y'all. Subscribe, hit that notification bell. Until next time, my loves.